Hey Northwest, I'm Logan and this is your Northwest Minute. Food Fight 23 was a success. Even though we didn't come out on top this year, Northwest Rankin and Brandon came together to raise over 169,000 cans for the Care Center and Vine Place. The lower schools in the Northwest Rankin zone raised over 25,000 cans, over 2,000 more than the last year. And Northwest Rankin High School, you more than doubled your total from last year, raising over 42,000. The NWRHS Robotics team competed in the first tournament on Saturday. All individual teams made it to the semifinal rounds of competition, and team won the design award, which is awarded to the team with the most effective and efficient design process. Congratulations. You can still pre-order your 2024 yearbook. Books are $60 and you can purchase them by going to yearbook.ordercenter.com. Checks can be made out to NWRHS. The price will increase to $65 after Christmas, and the end of December will also be the deadline to buy a book with a name stamp. See Ms. Mercer and B111 for more details. The bowling team begins their season today. They will compete at Fannin Lanes today and Thursday, starting at 3:30 p.m. Stop by and see the Cougars bowl. There will be an Archery Team Interest meeting on next Tuesday, November 14th in the middle school cafeteria at 6:30 p.m. They will discuss tryouts, dragonfly, and the upcoming spring season. And finally, the NWR Thespians will present a school day matinee of their competition winning at Girls in the Boat. Performances are during A1, A2, and A4 on Thursday. All cast members have a select number of tickets to these shows, so seat one of them if you're interested in attending. You must have your teacher's permission to miss class to attend the show. The Northwest Minute is news for the student, by the student. I'm Logan, and thanks for watching.